Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So today I have created this look right here, and you can wear this look, you can carry this look with any outfit, whether it's a western, it's a traditional, you can wear it with anyone, like jewelry is your choice. And it is so easy to create. So without rambling too much, let's get into the video and let's see how I have achieved this look.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy. My
So yes,
heart
this is it guys. You can see it is so easy to create this kind of look, and you can carry this look with any outfit. It is so easy. If you are confused that what kind of eye makeup you should go for with a particular dress, so if you're not able to decide, you can just wear it with, you can just go with this look, and it is super easy as well. You don't need a proper eyeshadow kit for that. You can just work with the bronzer and the blusher. That's it. A highlighter that you are going to wear it on your face, so you can wear it on your eyes as well. And how you can do that, I already showed you. So let me know in the comment section below that how you like this look, and it is super easy or not. And I will see you in my next video super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.